Okay, boys, settle down and come sit by the fire. It's summertime, and summertime means camping outside. And camping outside means scary stories by the campfire. And nobody can tell a creeperific campfire story better than me. So, let your big sister show you how it's done. Once, long ago, there was a ghoul named Claudine Wolf. One dark night, Claudine found herself lost in the haunted woods. She heard a noise. She turned around, and floating in the air right behind her was a great big pineapple? Okay. Anyway, so Claudine turned and ran away from the big, scary, pineapple. And as she ran, the pineapple made a horrible noise. Yeah, okay. The pineapple went auga. Finally, Claudine knew she had to do something to stop the pineapple, so she stopped running and picked up a sock. Okay, if you're not going to take this seriously, maybe we should just call it a night. There is nothing scary about pineapples and socks. Ah! You boys, you scared me half to life. I've never been so proud.